Hey, how's it going, fam? Welcome to another episode of Tuesday Seeds. Today, Uriah Israel will be sharing some key need-to-knows when it comes to using manure as fertilizer in your gardens. So please stay tuned.
Uh, just wanted to touch bases about manure and some of the dangers of maybe using a warm manure in your bed. When I say manure, you're looking at a um, composted manure. It's been sitting for several months, maybe, and does not have a smell to it, and neither is it warm and wet. It's not either of those. And you should be able to pick it up and squeeze it and smell it, and you shouldn't smell anything with it. Okay, this is a composted manure. I just watched a video of a good friend of mine on YouTube where she spent the whole winter germinating these seedlings, and when she went to go plant them, she used something called black cow manure, which you can purchase at a Home Depot in a bag. Nothing bad about black cow. Black cow is an excellent amendment if that's the only place you can, the only place you need to, the only place you can get it. But she had placed it into her garden without really determining whether or not it was composted. It was she did mention that she could smell the ammonia from it, and she still used it. And as a consequence, she lost basically all the seedlings that she worked hard to germinate. This is the word of caution to all of you guys: is that make sure the compost, or excuse me, the manure that you're using has composted. It should be dry. It should not have any smell to it, and therefore it would be good to use. If you're getting manure from a local grower, make sure that you say you ask them for the aged manure. Do not just take any manure and use it unless you don't plan to grow anything in that spot. Okay, that's just a word of caution about manures, and I'll talk to you soon.